Is your pocket the weakest link? The ultimate work phone security checklist. In the era of hybrid work, the corporate perimeter has vanished. It has been replaced by the device in your employee's pocket. Whether your organization relies on company-issued devices or bring your own device, BYOD model, mobile endpoints are now a primary target for cybercriminals. According to the Verizon Mobile Security Index, nearly half, 41%, of organizations admitted to compromising on mobile security to get the job done. Furthermore, the 2024 Verizon Data Breach Investigations Report, DBIR, highlights that the human element, including falling for mobile phishing, is involved in 68% of breaches. Securing these devices isn't just IT housekeeping. It's a critical defense strategy. Here is your essential checklist to lock down mobile data. 1. Hardening the hardware. Device-level security. The first line of defense is the physical device itself. If a phone is lost or stolen, these barriers are all that stand between a thief and your data. Ban the 1234. Mandate 6+ character passcodes or biometrics. For digit pins are brute forced in seconds. The 2-minute rule. Enable auto screen lock set to a maximum of 2 minutes. Encryption is non-negotiable. Ensure full disencryption, FD, is active. While standard on modern iOS and Android, it must be verified. Remote capabilities, company-owned. Enable MDM, mobile device management. For full remote wipes, BYOD. Utilize MAM, mobile application management, to selectively wipe only corporate data, preserving personal photos and contacts. 2. Software hygiene, closing the back doors. Outdated software is a welcome mat for malware. Zimperium's Global Mobile Threat Report notes a 51% increase in unique mobile malware samples year over year. Automate updates. Do not rely on users to remember. Force automatic OS and app patches. Curate the App Store. Restrict app installation to official stores Google Play, Apple App Store. For high security environments, use an approved allow list. Vet for shadow IT. Block apps that request excessive permissions, e.g. a flashlight app asking for contact list access. 3. Network discipline. Securing data in transit. Public Wi-Fi is a playground for man-in-the-middle, MITM attacks. VPN or bust. Enforce VPN usage automatically when devices connect to non-corporate Wi-Fi. Disable auto-join. Prevent phones from automatically connecting to open networks like Starbucks and Spotify, which can be easily spoofed by attackers. WPA3 standards. Ensure office networks utilize the latest encryption standards. 4. Policy and compliance. The governance layer. Technology fails without policy. You need a framework that aligns with GDPR, HIPAA, or CCPA. Data classification. Clearly define what constitutes sensitive versus public data. The BYOD contract. Employees must sign a policy acknowledging that while the device is theirs, the corporate data within it belongs to T. 5. The human firewall, training and response. Technological controls cannot stop an employee from voluntarily handing over credentials via a smishing, SMS phishing, text. Simulate attacks. Run regular phishing simulations specifically designed for mobile interfaces, e.g. fake SMS delivery notifications. Streamline reporting. Make it easy for employees to report a lost device. Time is of the essence. Fear of punishment causes delays in reporting, which increases risk. Conclusion. Mobile security is a moving target. As attackers pivot to SMS-based attacks and zero-click exploits, your defense must evolve. Use this checklist as your baseline, but treat mobile security as a living process, not a one-time task.